In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Hyundai Autopilot without the annoying alert telling you to put your hands back on the steering wheel. Now, to have a similar functionality as the Tesla Autopilot, you need to activate the so-called active lane keep assist and cruise control together, but only the former one creates that annoying alert. Here I'm driving an Hyundai IONIQ Electric, but it might also work in other Hyundai cars with the same driving assist systems. First of all, I will demonstrate what usually happens when you activate active lane keep assist. Now active lane keep assist is activated and I can take off my hands from the steering wheel. But as mentioned before, after a few seconds you will hear an alert. The car tells you to put your hands back on the steering wheel. To prevent this from happening, get a small plastic bottle like this one, which you can get in any supermarket for just a few cents, and clamp it between the left and lower spokes of the steering wheel, like the way I do it. And now you don't hear the alarm anymore. In the lower left part of the steering wheel, there seems to be a pressure sensor which detects the driver's hand. Every once in a while it doesn't work out right away. In such cases, you have to move the plastic bottle back and forth a bit. After that, it should work. Now that you know how this trick works, I want to point out that you should never take your eyes off the road, because these systems don't work perfectly yet. For example, if you drive out of a tunnel during the day, the autopilot is deactivated for a few seconds. The car's camera apparently needs these few seconds to adjust the brightness to the new lighting conditions and can't see the stripes on the highway. That problem happens almost all the time, so be careful when you drive out of a tunnel. Sometimes the autopilot also has problems when several trees, which are lined up next to the road, cast a shadow on the road in front of you. In these situations, the autopilot can deactivate itself. The Hyundai IONIQ does not make a sound when the autopilot is deactivated. Always keep an eye on the dashboard to see if the lane keep assist icon is still green. If it is white, you need to take over control immediately. That's it. I wish you a safe and relaxing driving experience.